All right, here's an example in your book, lesson 8A. We have a set notation of set A. How do we say that? So write down the meaning of that in set builder notation. This has already been done for us. How we say that is a set of all x such that x is an even number, or is an integer, excuse me, between 3 and 10 and including 10. So that's how we say that set notation. In question B, it says list the elements in the set. So you're including 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then question C says how many elements are in this set? So we count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 elements in that set. Here's another example. We're talking about negation. Find the negation of x is a dog. So what would be the opposite of a dog? So the negation of a dog is that x is a cat. Example 2, or example B. X is greater than or equal to 2 for all numbers in the natural system. So what would be the opposite, the negation of numbers that are greater than or equal to 2? The negation would be numbers smaller than that, would be 0 and 1. Another example, x is greater than or equal to 2 for all numbers in the integer system. So what's the opposite of that? It is all numbers less than 2 in the integer system, so it's the opposite. The definition of negation in the Venn diagrams. So we worked with Venn diagrams earlier this year. So proposition P, x is greater than 10. U represents that universal set, everything that fits inside of that Venn diagram rectangle. P is the true set, what goes inside of that box. And then not P is what goes outside of that. So if we're looking for this example, x is greater than 10, that would be your proposition. Everything that's greater than that, and then anything that does not include that would be outside of it. All right, so here's an example. The universal set is set notation. We'll read this here. X is greater than 0 and less than 10 for numbers in the natural system. So you're counting numbers. The proposition P, x is a prime number. So what's heading inside of here? These are your prime numbers in your Venn diagram. Find the true sets for P and not P. So what's not in P are the non-integers. Or I'm sorry, the non-prime numbers. So 1, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So that's how a Venn diagram would look. Please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck and have fun on your assignment. Again, please feel free to reach out to me.